In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed the dents in this roof rail of this Toyota Corolla. Boom, look at this. Here is the deep areas. Small low at the bottom, lots of smile at the bottom. Lots of smile on the sides and up top. Smile is kind of this phenomenon that happens whenever you put a dent in on a curved panel, especially. There's somewhat of a wave that happens, kind of like when you throw a rock into a pool of water. A wave is created in the metal in a similar manner. All right, I'm going for the Limited Light. This right here is a tab tower. That is a nice, cool way to keep you organized with your glue tabs. I am going with some orange fire, and you saw that I set myself up on that one to get burned. Oh my goodness, here we go again. I don't know how I didn't burn myself on that one. I'll be careful out there. That is an old Worth slide hammer. I think that thing is discontinued, but you can find yourself a good slide hammer on Anson, PDR.com or PDRtool.com. Cleaning that thing off again, that's 91% isopropyl alcohol. Cleaning the tabs off, that is a Laka tab. And that glue gun is an Amazon glue gun. And all these tools I link to on my website. If you click the link in the description, you go to my website and I have links to all this stuff in there. Another pull. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna, so satisfying. This is slow going. I thought this was gonna pull up a lot easier, but it really didn't. Going for some cold glue. Number 2, cold. Boom, that was a good one. Now this one is a little more stubborn. Ain't gonna happen with the cold glue. Now, some guys ask me about the cold glue. That's a Shane Jack's jackhammer, and that is a Rudolph. The red one is a Rudolph tip from Anson, and then the metal tip was from PDR Finesse. Those are Atlas tabs. I'm still a fan of those Atlas tabs. Those things are kind of old school now, but man, they still are solid tabs. Alcohol again to release it. Now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, so back to the cold glue. That stuff is kind of a time saver, but it's definitely not as strong as hot glue. So that is a Black Plague gangrene crease tab. I'm a big fan of those gangrene tabs. Those are solid. Nice pull on that one. Come on. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Okay, here we go. Lots of knocking down. You saw me, I switched the light the other way. You gotta work your dents from every angle that you can. Those are Kiko dead center tabs, I believe. Those suckers are awesome tabs. If you haven't tried those on small dents, you got to try those things. Those are probably my favorite small dent tabs right now. Booyah! Look at that, y'all. Shazam! We are looking hot, boy. Banana spray. Wipe that joker off. Oh my goodness. That took me a while, but boom, totally worth it. All right, would y'all fix that the same way? Would you have gone about that completely differently? Let me know in the comment. Catch y'all next time.